Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths is Fun. In today's video, we will solve a question on mensuration. So it is taken from past paper. So let's see the question here. The diagram shows a plastic cup in the shape of a cone. Picture is here in front of you with the end removed. So this dotted part which is in the bottom, this dotted one, this has been removed. So the solid cup is only on the top. The vertical height of the cone is 20 centimeter. The height of the cup is 8 centimeter. This is all shown in the diagram. The base of the cup has radius 2.7. Show that the radius r of the circular top of the cup is 4.5. So we have to show that this radius of the cup is 4.5. So in this type of question, if you see, basically it is giving you an impression of similar cone, similar concept. So bigger cone which has a height 20 and a smaller cone which has a height 12. This is 12y. 20 minus 8 will be 12. So this height is 12. So basically, in short, if I see, I will look at this question with the perspective of a bigger cone and a smaller cone. So whatever I have to find out about the cup, I will do with respect to bigger cone and smaller cone and minus the 2. Okay, this will be my concept. Just a minute. It has been erased. Okay. So now let's see the radius if I have to find out. So I have to find out this radius, and for the smaller cone, the top is basically the base of the cup. So this radius is 2.7. Now the height here is 20 and this height is 12. It is not given, but since this height of the cup is 8 given here, so 20 minus 8 is 12. So now applying the concept of the similar shape, I can say r divided by 2.7 is equals to 20 divided by 12. So now I will solve this question. Let me take out the calculator. You can take out your calculator. So the answer is 4.5 centimeter, which we have to prove. So this is proven here. Let's see part B. Calculate the volume of water in the cup when it is full. Now basically it is this this part of the cup, right? It is full of water. Now this shape formula I don't know. So how will I apply the formula for the volume of this shape? So again I will consider here the volume of a bigger cone minus the volume of a smaller cone. And that's why the the formula for the volume of the cone is given to you here. So when you will do bigger minus smaller, automatically you will get the volume of the water in the cup. So let's do here. So you can say volume of a bigger cone minus volume of the smaller cone, right? So formula is given to us here, 1 over 3. This will give me the volume of the cup basically. Okay, let me write here, volume of the cup I'm trying to get here. So 1 over 3 pi. So for the bigger cone, the radius is 4.5, which we have just found. So pi r square, and height is 20. Okay, minus 1 over 3 pi. For the smaller cone, the radius is 2.7. 2.7 square, and the height is 12. You can see here. So after that, just use a calculator carefully and you will get the answer. Let me use my calculator. Give me a second. So I'm getting 332.6 something. So usually we write answer in 3 significant figure. So I can say this is approximately equals to 333. And what will be the unit? Cubic centimeter, because units and the lengths are given in centimeter, right? So use the calculator carefully and you will get the answer. Now let's see this part. So this part of the question is saying, show that the slant height S of the cup is 8.2. So now we have to find out this length. Now how you will do this? This is a little tricky part. Let me draw a diagram a little bigger here so that I can explain it to you. Okay. I'm trying to draw a cup only here, okay? Now this is the cup, the top part of the cup. The radius of this cup is given to you here, 4.5. I'm using different color so that I can relate it. And the radius of the smaller cup was given 2.7, am I right? Yes, 2.7. Okay, I have to find out this slant height, which I'm taking here with the red color. Okay, so now if I draw a line from here, okay, perpendicular line, and 90-degree here, so this small portion is my right angle triangle. Agreed? And I know this height. This height is given to me 8 centimeter. This is very easy to calculate. You know why? Because this portion, the small blue portion, is 4.5 minus 2.7. Because the bigger radius is 4.5 and in the bottom the radius is 2.7. So 4.5 minus 2.7, just a minute, minus 2.7, it will be 1.8. Okay, so this is 1.8. So now if I have to find out this slant height, either it is this side or this side, I will apply Pythagoras theorem. S is equals to square root of 8 square plus 1.8 square. Let's find out this slant height, and here we have to show basically. So my answer should come what? 8.2. Let me check. 64 plus 1.8 square under root, and I got here 8.2. Perfect. So I got this slant height 8.2 centimeter. So this is proved. Now the next part, I hope it is clear to you, you understood. Now next part of the question, which is about calculate the curved surface area of the outside of the cone. So again, this is my cup, okay, the top part, and I have to calculate the area around it. Again, I will use the concept of the bigger cone and a smaller cone, right? Because I don't know the formula for the curved surface area of the shape of the cone, which of the cup, but cone I do know. So I will find out the curved surface area of a bigger cone and a smaller cone, because we know the curved surface area of the cone. Do you also know? If not, it is given in the question also. So this curved surface area around it is pi RL, and for this one it is pi RL. So I will do the curved surface area of the bigger cone minus the curved surface area of the smaller cone. That will give me curved surface area of the cup. Curved surface area of the cup. So it is equals to what? Curved surface area. Now this is my abbreviation, not a standard one, okay? Curved surface area of a bigger cone minus curved surface area of the smaller cone. You understand what I'm doing? So this is pi. Now for the bigger cone, the radius is 4.5. For the smaller one, 2.7. So pi, just a minute, blue color I should use, pi RL. Now what was the slant height of the bigger cone? Do we know it? Have we calculated it? Let's see on the top portion. What was it? Did we calculate or not? Otherwise we will have to calculate it. Let me see. Okay, suppose we have not calculated, we can calculate quickly. Right? This was 20 given to you. This is 4.5. So you can easily calculate this slant height, which is represented by L for the bigger cone. So it is 20 square plus 4.5 square. I'm applying Pythagoras theorem, nothing else. So it is equals to 20.5. So 20.5. So this is equals to 20.5. I have applied what? Pythagoras theorem, nothing else. Similarly, for the smaller one, pi r is 2.7, but slant height I have to calculate, right? This one. So again, this is 18. Sorry, not 18, 12. 20 minus 8 is 12. So this I have to calculate here. Again, I'm applying Pythagoras theorem. 12 square minus 2.7 square under root. And I got here what? This calculator. 12 square plus 2.7 square under root. And it is 12.3. So I got here 12.3. Okay, are you with me what I'm doing? So I'm doing pi RL minus pi RL. Okay, for bigger one, for smaller one. So now if you use the calculator carefully, which I'm going to use now, it is coming around 185.5. So approximately you can take it for 186 centimeter, because we are talking about here what? Curved surface area. So square will come here. So I hope you understood what I have done. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please share it with your friends and press like and subscribe button so that you can get my new videos. Take care. Allah Hafiz.